Just gotta kind of make sure everything's lined up and then really torque her down. But that is exactly what I need. So I'm gonna pop that off, Loctite everything up, and I'll show you it buttoned up. Hey guys, it's Jay. Welcome back to the studio. As you can see, things are off the walls. I've kind of been prepping the space. I want to make some big changes in here, and one of those first changes is I'm going to kind of try to reorganize the back end of the shop here and repaint everything and have kind of a brand new look going on. I cleared the face of the cabinet, done some light sanding and taken care of any of the kind of like smaller imperfections so I can paint, as well as this back wall here that just runs along the bottom. I've got something cool planned in order to kind of make sure that I have easier access to my tools, and so I'm going to be giving that a primer coat just because there's oil paint in here, and then I'm going to be hitting it with a coat of paint. So yeah, check it out. So obviously there's a lot more that I have to do to the shop in order to get it to kind of where I'd like it. But as you can see, I got black paint on the walls. I painted this side of the shop. I'm going to be painting the alternate side of the shop and just arranging some of the artwork and some of the other stuff that I have over here, keeping this side fairly minimalist, just for the sake of filming and just kind of for the sake of the aesthetic that I'm kind of going for. You will have noticed that I didn't do anything to the tops of the counters, and that's because I'm going to be coating that all in about 1/4 inch rubber. So I have some rubber, and I'm going to be gluing that down and creating a surface just so that's a little bit easier for me to wrench and to work on stuff that's not banging around. It has a little bit more grip, and it's a bit of a more forgiving and soft surface to be able to work on. So back here and the side counter, they're all going to be getting rubberized countertops. Eventually going to be doing something with the floor, but just leaving it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and seeing the update to the shop. I promise I'll keep you guys updated. And I got lots more in store before spring and before I get this beast back up on the road. Thanks guys. Peace.